Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, I want to ask you for one quick favor. If you believe in honest discussion about Jamaica, current affairs, and the issue that affect our future, take a second to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community. Your support helps us continue bringing you more stories like this. Today, we're looking at a topic that generates strong reaction across Jamaica. Some people are asking a tough questions. Has it become time for Prime Minister Andrew Holness to step aside? Others strongly disagree and believe his leadership should continue. In this video, we'll examine the argument, the public concern, and the different perspectives surrounding the debate. Watch the video till the end, and I'll be back with few comments.
Jamaica, Jamaicans, when you see the injustice, when you see the level of corruption. Now, my Jamaican people, when you see where one of the director was shot and Great Christie come out and him say, ask the government. I would have said, ask the government. So now them are saying, let us go to Governor General for Great Christie to resign. But we know the Governor General corrupt too. We know Sir Alling corrupt. Yeah? But Jamaica is country over party. And we want every well-thinking Jamaica to look and see what we are talking about. Country over party. Now Jamaica. Now remember, Great Christie was the contractor general. And when he resigned, Andrew bring him back and put him on the Integrity Commission. Because Andrew liked the fact that he used to pass the judgment down on Portia. Right? So him bring him back. Him see him as a man of integrity, right? So him bring him back. But what Andrew and him government didn't know is that Great Christie cannot be bought. So now Jamaica, me see uno all over social media him for resign, can him say ask the government about the shooting. Ask them. Me would have say ask them. Right, Jamaica? So now, Jamaica. Come on now, Jamaica people. Uno see them a rab uno in our face. Them a rab uno. In our face. Them come out, them pray, ask God to forgive them of them sins. And then them turn on and rab uno. Now, Jamaica. Jamaica. Look on this. Nigel Fraud, Minister of Finance, him come out and him say $14 million or $15 million them are going to pay SSL amount. Right, Jamaica? But him didn't tell us say from April, SSL put in a claims on the insurance. So Jamaica, you tell me say Nigel Fraud never know say somebody at SSL put in a claims? That who is that person? That person have to be speaking to the adjuster. And when you put in claims, the adjuster gonna call you and hear what's going on and take information and then tell you how much money they are giving. So them get $1 million US. So who they got thief that money there? Nigel Fraud to tell Jamaica who they gonna keep the money. So when them see someone rise up Jamaica, I hit them come out now, I come tell you say, we not better use taxpayers' money. We gonna use money we confiscated. Then when the people them rise up and said, no, you can't use that either, all of a sudden them find out say SSL have an insurance claim. No, Jamaica, you can't make this thing up. No, Jamaica. You see the injustice. You see the level of injustice and corruption in our face, but you not choose party over country. It must be country over party. Jamaica people, on a serious level now, Jamaica, Andrew must resign. Andrew must give up the name of the 6 or resign. Why? Now, the Speaker of the House end up in a corruption. And look what it have to take for she to resign. Huh? So Jamaica people, why Andrew not give up the 6? It deeper than one to think. Right? Delroy Chuck, I lose half of you, sir. Why you demanding that Paula Lewin stay on? You see the corruption, Jamaica? Jamaica, you see the corruption? You see the level of corruption, Jamaica? But it spread far, Jamaica. Let me tell you something. We are waiting. Next year come. We are waiting. The year soon done. Because we have the kitchen sink pull down with the dirty water. And we're going to throw out the kitchen sink with the dirty water. But let me ask something. Andrew, why you don't want to give out the name? Is it because it entwined in so much different direction? Not only labor rights is on that list. In Jamaica? In Andrew? Let me ask Peter Bunting something. Peter Bunting, you're up on the list, sir? May I leave that one the right there for now, Jamaica? Something to think about. Is that's why the list can't come out? But Jamaica, only for demand that Andrew resign. Only must demand that the Deputy Speaker of the House, which is Juliet Holness, Andrew Holness' wife, resign. Only for demand that Ligel Fraud resign. Jamaica, it must not be business as usual. Jamaican people, only see the injustice. Only see the level of corruption, Jamaica. Why you not choose party over country? Huh? Why you not choose party over country? Jamaica. Let me ask something. Why the opposition is pretty silent on these matters? Why? We the diaspora be pushing it. Huh? Jamaica. Why? Well, I want to say to the director that gets shot, get well soon, sir. And Grey Christie, we're up on your side, sir. I say protect on yourself. The man say ask the government. When Bob Marley gets shot, we should have said ask the government. The attempt on Michael Mandy life, ask the government. Not some people. The innocent youth that were dead in the street. Ask the government. Is that a fair question? Fair question. Ask the government. Fair answer. Ask the government. Why school? Some school not open. Ask the government. Why the teacher them a leave? Ask the government. Why hospital not in a bed and in deplorable state? Ask the government.
Now I'm going to waste on the time. I will give you the question now. Under which party does Jamaica suffer the most? Again, the question is, under which party, JLP or PNP, does Jamaica suffer the most? Because they're saying that the Prime Minister needs to pack it up and go now after his recent announcement of new taxes that will be hitting the Jamaican people. And I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in this report, everybody. Alright? It's a Sunday and I hope your day was good. Alright? Different location, different setup, a whole heap of new things to come. I've been saying it quite frequently, but just wait. I am only one person. But in the meantime, stay tuned. Leave a like on the video, share the video, repost the video, and follow the page. And welcome to Virtual TV once again. Now, the people of Jamaica have spoken. Well, some that is, because it's a divided opinion. Alright? Now, the persons are now saying that the Prime Minister did not promise. No, he made a commitment to the people of Jamaica that there will be no new taxes. He says that the PNP is only here to get rich off the backs of poor people. And now, the JLP has now made it public that they will now unleash new taxes on the Jamaican people. Now, the people have spoken and they're saying that it is time for the Prime Minister to go. they're going to suffer under Andrew Holness administration. While another set of persons are now saying that they understand the new taxes. It is a way to balance the books because of the damage that Melissa created. Now get this, according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, he says that it was a last resort. And what he's saying is that he will not make it difficult for this new announcement of taxes to affect the poor. What are your thoughts on that? Again, the question is, which party do we suffer under the most? Is it JLP coming JLP? Is it PNP coming PNP? What are your thoughts? I will be back with more. Big up yourself. Stay tuned.
Jamaica, let me tell you something. Me see you refuse to hold Andrew Holness accountable. But me go tell you, take off the green shades off on your eye. Andrew send Audrey Marks to go sign the paper. I him draw up the agreement. Because you see, Jamaica, Harris Chan come out and talk about say the deportee them is transit, them in transit when them come to Jamaica to them home country. That's what Harris Chan say. You see? Them know you a fool. That's why them can't shoot anything down on your throat for no believe. But you see Jamaica, Harris Chan couldn't go sign the paper. As a security minister, many important meetings and signing him can't go. Him can't go Canada. Him can't go America. Him cannot set him foot on the shores of the United States. Else him ass won't get arrested. You see? And that are the reason Jamaica why Andrew keep him which part him there. So intelligence, we are pass it, have to pass through him. So him we know we are go down. Because him is a criminal inside the government. Like Andrew Wheatley and the rest. Where them statutory declaration cannot be certified. But look Pauno. A paint round, because you know a paint round. Labor right, a paint round, a go round. Oh no call upon Andrew Wheatley to resign with the big old corruption. Who give anyone gift of 6 property? Somebody just love Andrew Wheatley, so them just give him 6 lots. Say, here is gift. Jamaica. You see all them nonsense them put before Uno? I don't know if you believe it. But you know like when we come out, come talk. So they come pushing the little narratives and come round and come round and come round. Because you know I face the reality of the truth that Andrew Holness trading out every day, every morning, every evening and every night. When Andrew think about Jamaica, Andrew think about what him can benefit half of Uno or half Jamaica. Uno see. Remember him big send where the one named Mali Fool go sign the Samola agreement. Uno remember Jamaica? Uno remember him send her go sign. Uno remember when voting for the United Nation, him no go. Him send them go sign. Always think him smart. Remember him they go get bandulu, paper, sign, figure Christopher Tufton. So him could have kick out Christopher Tufton out of the party. Uno remember Jamaica? Uno remember Andrew Evelyn's deeds? Uno no remember? Uno no remember Jamaica? See him come a half a tree, come pray and say, Lord, forgive me because I've sinned against the nation. And the next week, he raised him salary 300 and the ministers pay 300 and 200% increase. And the other week him come out and said, let them meet them maker. And him come back again and sign the LGBTQ agenda to promote on the island. You don't remember them things, Jamaica? And then him take time act like him innocent and look at Ono. It not have anything to do with Andrew. Poor Ono. Poor soul. Sorry for you, you know. Sorry for you. But instead of no blame Andrew sooner, yeah, I look other people to point finger at. Eh? So every day you come tell me I try bring government down. We are expose corruption. Because the corruption make me have to migrate. What you say? Eh? We are expose it. But watch you know. Sit down. Vote for the Labour right them. And the Labour right them have no under bandage. Hmm? Shower Labour right shower. 1 PM, 1 bro God. 1 government badness. And no nastiness. 1 card of Mike, never 2. And me, never tell a lie.
As we come to the end of today's discussion, it's important to remember that the future of Jamaica is bigger than any other political party or any one leader. Every generation reaches a point where it reflects on the direction of the country and asks whether its leaders are delivering on their promises. Those conversations are part of the healthy democracy. Many Jamaicans have difficult opinions about Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his government. Some believe his administration has made meaningful progress in areas such as infrastructure, investment, and economic stability. Others argue that the issue like the cost of living, crime, unemployment, corruption, and access to opportunity remain serious concern. These are legitimate topics for public debate. Whether your political views, one thing most Jamaicans can agree on is that the country deserves accountable leadership. Every citizen have the right to ask difficult questions, accept transparency, and evaluate whether elected officials are fulfilling the promises they made during election campaign. Democracy works best when leaders are held accountable through peaceful civic participation and the ballot box. But at the same time, it's important to separate facts from rumors. Strong opinions are common in politics, but informed decisions should be based on verified information rather than spectacular misinformation. Listening to different viewpoints, even those will disagree, will help strengthen public discussion and encourage better decision making. The future of Jamaica depends not only on political leaders, but also on its people. Every citizen can contribute by staying informed, voting, supporting their communities, encouraging young people to participate in civic life, and demanding integrity from everyone who seeks public office. Real change rarely happens overnight. It comes through consistency, public engagement, honest dialogue, and institutions that function fairly. Whether some believe the current government should continue or believe it is time for new leadership, the most constructive path forward is one that respects democratic process and the rule of law. History shows that every administration is judged by its record. Future generations will look back and evaluate whether the decision made today improve the lives of the ordinary Jamaica. That is why public conversation like this matters. They encourage people to think critically about leadership and national priorities. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you believe Jamaica is moving in the right direction? What are the biggest challenges facing the country today? What changes would you like to see from current or future leaders? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comment below. Let's keep this discussion constructive and focus on idea rather than personal attack. If you believe or if you enjoy this analysis and want more balanced discussion on Jamaica politics, Caribbean affairs, and the issue shaping our region, please support the channel by subscribing, turn on notification, and sharing this video with friends and family. Every like, comment, and share help us reach more viewers and continue producing content that encourage information, public discussion. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Stay safe, stay informed, keep thinking critically, and remember that an engaged and information public is one of the greatest strengths of any democracy. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.